Hi, I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor, and welcome back to Self-Talk Sunday, where we reset our mindset for the week ahead. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest mental traps out there, the idea that you have to wait until you feel ready before you start. Here's the truth. If you keep waiting for motivation to show up before you take action, you'll be waiting a long time. Today's message is simple but powerful. Stop waiting for motivation and start with action. Let me explain why this matters. Motivation is not the starter of the engine, it's the passenger. We think we need motivation first, but in reality, motivation follows action. Once you take the first step, even a small one, you prove to yourself that you can do it, and that creates a spark. Think of it this way. You don't sit around waiting to feel motivated to brush your teeth. You just do it. That action itself reinforces the habit. Your health journey works the same way. That first walk around the block, that first time you track carbs, that first grocery trip where you skip the bread aisle. Those actions build momentum, and momentum is more reliable than motivation. So here's today's nugget. You don't have to feel motivated to take action, but once you take action, motivation often shows up. Waiting to feel like it is procrastination in disguise. The secret is doing it before you feel like it. So when I started my own keto journey, there were plenty of days I didn't feel motivated. Some mornings I woke up tired, stressed, and tempted to just throw in the towel. But I made myself a promise, just do one thing. Sometimes that was as small as making eggs instead of grabbing a bagel. Other times it was simply taking a short walk instead of scrolling on the phone. And you know what? Every single time I took small action, it shifted my mindset. One action led to the next, and before you knew it, I had a string of wins behind me. That's how I lost weight and improved my health and built consistency by leaning on action, not feelings. So here's my challenge for you today. Choose one action you can take right now, not tomorrow, not when you're in the mood, right now. Fill your water bottle, prep a protein-rich snack, write down your meals for the day. It doesn't matter how small it is. What matters is that you do it, because one action today is worth more than 100 intentions left for tomorrow. Motivation is fickle, but action is steady. Stop waiting, start moving. You'll be amazed how quickly momentum builds when you take that first step. This has been your Self-Talk Daily Spoonful. I'll see you tomorrow, ready or not.